Hello and welcome to Should It to Water Filter series. Today we're testing the PUR Plus FM2500V faucet filter. We've got some really dirty chlorinated water here, and we'll be running this through the filter and then see how well it'll clean it up, with a special focus on how this filter improves the color of the water. Let's check it out. As you can see, here's the unfiltered water, murky and obviously very dirty. Now I'll turn on the filter. Let's see the difference. As you can see, we have two cups side by side. One is noticeably dirtier than the other. To be extra sure, I'll use a water testing kit to check the chlorine levels in both cups. On the right, we have the dirty water's result, and on the left, we have the filtered water. The difference in chlorine concentration is very clear, as you can see through this line. The PUR filter has done a fantastic job not only removing chlorine, but also significantly improving the water's color. It's clear that this filter can clean up even the dirtiest water out there. So performance-wise, I'm really impressed with this filter. It lives up to the brand's promises and does a great job at improving the overall appearance and quality of the water. If you're looking for a filter that can make your water look cleaner and more appealing, the PUR filter is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below to purchase, and don't forget to like and follow for more tests like this. Thank you for watching Should It. We'll see you in the next video.